class 10 mathematics, quadratic equations in one variables. In algebra, a quadratic equation is any equations that can be rearranged in standard form. Okay, the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the form. So here x is a unknown number and a, b, c are considered to be a known numbers, and a is not equals to 0. Okay, if a is 0, then the equation will become the linear equation, that will not be the quadratic equation. Okay, and quadratic equation has at most two solutions. Let's discuss the important points of quadratic equation, or we can say the formulas. The first one is here, we have to know the form of the quadratic equation. So general form of quadratic equation is here ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. Okay, and number 2 is here roots of quadratic equation. So quadratic equation always has two roots. X is equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay, from here only you can get the two roots. X is equals to, first we'll write minus b, first we'll take only the positive value, plus root under my b square minus 4ac and divided by 2a, and other is here x is equals to minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. These are called the roots of quadratic equation. And third one is the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots of the quadratic equation depends on the quantity under the square root sign, this, and this quantity is called discriminant. Okay, here first discriminant. Discriminant is considered as capital D is equals to this value b square minus 4ac. So with this we'll get three cases. Case 1, when d is greater than 0, that means discriminant is greater than 0, two roots are real and distinct. Okay, and case 2, that is when discriminant is equals to 0, two roots are real and equal. Okay, and case 3 is here when discriminant is less than 0, we write no real roots, or else we can write here roots are imaginary. So roots are imaginary. These are the three important points, okay, or the important formulas for the quadratic equation. First one is here general form, which is here ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. So this is very important because every sum we have to compare the given equation with the general form of the quadratic equation to find the value of a, b and c. And the next one, if you have if it is asked to find the roots of the quadratic equation, and then we have to use this formula x is equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And the third one is the nature of the roots. For the nature of the roots, you have to know the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. So that means the value which lies under the square root sign. Okay. And case 1 is here, when discriminant is greater than 0, two roots are real and distinct. When the discriminant is equals to 0, two roots are real and real and equal. And when the discriminant is less than 0, no real roots. So this is important. Let's solve some questions. Solve the equation using formula. Okay. So here the equation is given. First we have to compare this equation with the general form of quadratic equation. We'll write here comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We get here. So if you compare these two equations, in place of a, what do you see here? Just we have to write the coefficient of x square is here. A is equals to 2, and here x here, b in place of b here is here minus 7, and in place of c the coefficient of 1, which is 6. Now we got it. Okay, then we write here we know. We have to solve the equation, means we have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. We know that x is equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now we will substitute the value of a, b and c here, and this is equals to minus b is here minus 7 plus minus root under b is here how much, minus 7 whole square minus 4, a is here 2, c is here 6 whole divided by 2 into 2, and from here we will get here minus in minus plus 7 plus minus root under 7 are 49. When the power is even, the sign is always positive. This is the 49 minus 4 2 are 8, 8 6 are 48 is here 2 2 are 4. This will get here 7 plus minus root under 1 divided by 4, and this is equals to 7 plus minus 1 divided by 4. X has two values because here plus and minus is here. Then we write here either x is equals to 7 plus 1 divided by 4. Only will take one sign here. This will become 7 plus 1 is here 8 divided by 4. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8. This is equals to 2. Or next is here x is equals to 7 minus 1 divided by 4. This is equals to 6 upon 4. 3 2 are 6. Sorry, 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 4 is equals to 3 by 2. Then we can write here, therefore the roots of the given equation are 2, 3 by 2. This is how we will write the answer. Clear? Comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get. So here a is equals to 2, b is equals to root 5, and c is equals to minus 5. Okay, again right, we know if you have to find the roots, x is equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Remember, you have to write down the formula. For this also you will get the marks in Icse examination. So this is equals to b is here root under 5 minus root 5 plus minus root 5 whole square minus 4. A is here 2, C is here minus 5. Okay, whole divided by 2a. This will write minus root 5 only, plus minus, this is here 5 are 25 minus into minus plus 5 4 are 20, 22 are 40. Sorry, this is a root and root will get cancelled. So here I'll write root under 5 square means this root and this root will get cancelled. So this will get 5 here, because so the root is nothing. This is root to the power 5 square is nothing. This is 5 square whole to the power 1 by 2, and this 2 will get cancelled. Okay, square root means to the power half. Okay, so this 40 will get here whole divided by 2a. This is equals to minus root under 5 plus minus root under 45 whole divided by 2a. And root 45 can be written as here, root 45 can be written as root under 95 are 45. 9 is here 3 square. So we have done in the like junior classes, 3 square into 5. When under root, if you have any number with the square, that will come out. This will become 3 root under 5. Okay, so this can be written as root under 5 plus minus 3 root under 5 whole divided by, sorry, here 2a is here 2, this is here 2 2 are 4, this is here 2 2 are 4, this is 2 2 are 4. Now we can write either x is equals to minus root under 5 plus 3 root under 5 whole divided by 2. Sorry, whole divided by 4. Okay, so here if you see this, if I have from here this value, if I have minus x, okay, plus 3x, plus into minus minus, so that means 3 is greater to x. Similarly, this we consider as x only. Root under same value means we consider as variables only. This can be written as here 3 minus 1 is here 2 root under 5 divided by 4. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. This will become root under 5 divided by 2. Okay, or x is equals to now minus root under 5 minus 3 root under 5 whole divided by 4, which can be written as both are minus, so that means minus 3 minus 1 will be a minus 4 root under 5 whole divided by 4. This 4 1 are 4, 4 1 are 4 will get cancelled. This will become minus root under 5. These are the two values. Then we write therefore the roots of the equation are root under 5 by 2 comma minus root under 5. This is the roots of the quadratic equation. Here you can see that you have to write the answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so in that once you solve till the third value, after decimal till the third value, you have to do this if the answer has to be written in the 2 decimal places. Okay, correct to 2 decimal places. So then if this number will come more than 5 or more than 5, then this value will be 1.2. 1 will be added here, this will become 4. Or if this value when you solve, this will become 4 or less than 5, then the answer will remain as it is. So here you have corrected answer up to 2 decimal places. Okay, if it is the 3 decimal places, so after decimal till the 4th number you have to do. Okay, and if the 4th number will come less than 5, then this answer will be 1.235. If the 4th number 235 and this will come 7, the 7 is greater than 5. Okay, if it is greater than 5, then this will be 1, 2, 3. This number you will add 1. Okay, this will become 6. This is how we solve. So sometimes it will also be given that give your answer correct to two significant figures. Significant figure. Okay, if it is asked to find the answer in the two significant figure, from here if you have to write the two significant figure, from here two significant figure will be only 1.2. okay, suppose if you get the answer here 35.72, if you have to find the answer to the two significant figure, we just have to write the two numbers only here. So then we write 3, because after decimal this number is more than 5, 1 will be added, 3, 6 will be the answer. If it says that 3, this is a two significant figure, and if it says 3 significant figure, from here the 3 significant figure will be 35.7. This is the answer for the 3 significant figure. Now here, so solve the equation and give your answer correct to two decimal places. You have to see this very carefully. Okay, so here we'll write here again. So this is not in the quadratic equation form. First change this into quadratic equation form. X square plus 7x minus 7 is equals to 0. We have to make sure that this whatever given equation, first we have to change this into quadratic equation form. Okay, so then we can write only comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get here a is equals to 1, b is equals to 7 and c is equals to minus 7. So we know what x is equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This can be written as minus 7 plus minus root under b is a 7 square minus 4 c a is a 1, c is a minus 7 whole divided by 2 into a is a 1. This is a minus 7 plus minus root under 7 square is a 49 minus into minus plus 4 7 are 28. This is a 2 and this will become minus 7 plus minus root under, this becomes root under how much? 77 divided by 2. Now the question is here 77. We don't know the value of 77. So this value we can find in the log book. In the book we have at the last. Okay, this table book, from here you can find the values and you have to note down the page number 2829. If you get this book 2829, page 2829, you will get the value. In the log table, page number 28 and 29, you will get these powers and factorials. So you can see the first one, x, below x you see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, and ignore the first x square, x cube and 10 by x. Then the fourth column you can see that root under x. So those are the values of the x in the first column. That is the value of root under 1 is a 1, root under 2 is a 1.414, root under 3 is a 1.732, root under 4 is a 2, root under 5 is a 2.236, root under 6 is a 2.449. Till 100 we will get the values in this table. Now here we have to find the value of 77. Let's see that value of 77 in the table. Now let's see 77 is how much. I have marked that. Okay, here 77 you can see this, it is 8.775. Okay. So the value of root under 77 is here 8.775. So this can be written as minus 7 plus minus root under 77 is here 8.775 whole divided by 2. Okay, root under 77 is equals to 8.775. Okay, either x is equals to minus 7 plus 8.775 whole divided by 2 minus 7, that means this is a 1.775 whole divided by 2. Then 2 will multiply this, 2 0 are 0, 2 8 are 16, again 2 8 are 16, 2 7 are 14. Since we have to find the answer correct to two decimal places, after decimal till the third number we have to do, then we'll get the answer. So two decimal places will be 0.8. Since the third number is greater than 5, so we'll add 1 here, this will become 9, 0.89. Or x is equals to minus 7 minus 8.775 whole divided by 2, which is equals to minus 7 minus 8 is a minus 15.775 whole divided by 2, which is minus, first you write 2 7 are 14, 1 7 per decimal is there, 2 8 are 16, 1 7, 2 8 are 16, 1 5, 2 7 are 14. We are doing only till the third number because we have to get the answer only two places after decimal. Okay, this will be a minus 7 8, this is greater than 5, so that means 9, minus 7.89. Therefore the roots of the given equation are, we got two values, 0.89 comma minus 7.89. Solve the equation and give your answer correct to three significant figure. Here you can see three significant figure. Earlier was correct to two decimal places. Now this is a three significant figure. Okay, this even these questions was there in the ICSE 2012. Okay, so first thing is same, comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get here a is how much, 5, b is here minus 3 and c is here minus 4. We know x is equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is equals to minus b is here minus 3 plus minus root under b is here minus 3 whole square minus 4. The a is here 5 and c is here minus 4 whole divided by how much we are getting, 2a. And this is equals to minus and minus plus 3 plus minus root under 3 3 are 9, minus and minus plus 4 4 are 16, 16 5 are 80 whole divided by 2a. This is equals to 3 plus minus root under 89 whole divided by 2a. Again we see here 89 is not the perfect square number, so we have to find its value in the log table. Let's see how much is the value. Okay, see the value 89 here is how much, 9.434. Can you see this 89? 9.434. So this is equals to 3 plus minus 9.434. Okay, I forgot to do this. Here is a 5, 5 2 are 10, here again 5 2 are 10, so divided by 10. So because we got root under 89 is equals to 9.434. Okay, let's see, it's 9.434. Now either x is equals to, we can write 3 plus 9.434 whole divided by 10 is equals to 3 plus 9, 12.434 divided by 10. So work with the decimal. So if it is divided by 10, this will shift one number ahead. So this will become 1.2434. Okay. Now we have to write our answer correct to two significant figure. So we'll write 1, 2, and the fourth number is less than 5. We don't have to add. So 4, or x is equals to 3 minus 9.434 divided by 10. This is equals to minus 6.434 divided by 10. This is equals to minus 0 point, because divided by 10 means decimal will move one number ahead. 6434. First we have to write all the numbers. Since we have to find the answer correct to three significant figure, we write three significant figure only 0.64, and third number we have to write after this number is less than 5, so we write only 3. Okay, therefore the roots of the given equation are 1.24 comma minus 0.643. Clear? Here you have few questions for practice. First one is solve the following equation by using formula. When you using formula, it is not mentioned correct to two decimal places or two significant figure, so you can just write the answer root under only. Okay, so and the 3, you have to solve this equation correct to two decimal places. The answer is here, you need to solve. Okay, here also equation correct to two significant figure. Here are the answers.